Yo guys, and I think we should be live right now here. Thank you so much for everyone who is tuning in once again to this amazing new stream here on this channel. And on today's stream, we are going to talk, of course, about the Bitcoin price action. We are going to go over the whole cryptocurrency industry market, of course, and I will be discussing a current pattern breakout that we are right now seeing here on either the 1 hour and 4 hourly candles here. So guys, everyone is already saying good morning. What is happening? We are right now seeing a very significant pump on the market. And this is, of course, first of all, lovely to see, but second of all, I want to be as well say to everyone right now here, it is weekend. I will be still remain very cautious, even though we are about to maybe set a higher high in this trend, and we're maybe already about to reverse the trend that we're currently trading on here on the 1 hourly candles, and that we could be looking for some higher targets. So on today's video, I will be explaining first of all why you want to be cautious. I will be explaining as well the price target of this falling wedge, and I will be going over what I will be still doing and what my strategy will be, and I will be talking about the Bitcoin trading challenge that we of course agreed to on this channel, because I will be trading 1 Bitcoin towards 2 Bitcoins in a matter of course of approximately 3 weeks here, and I will be showing you guys every single step I'm going to do with this trading challenge. So if you want to be finding out, of course, about how I'm going to achieve this, make sure that you're going to stick towards the end of this stream, of course, because yeah, we're going to go over basically everything. So let me right away talk about the target, and let me second of all say to you guys, it is weekend, and in weekends, you first of all want to be careful, because in weekends there's a lot of manipulation, and usually the price targets that you're aiming for usually don't tend to play out here. But yeah, what you can see right now here is first of all a very significant falling wedge. So you're seeing a lower low getting created here, another lower low getting created here, and of course the third time we got support on this level as well. Top side, resistance, clear resistance, and right now of course we are breaking through on this resistance. And in the same time, while we are seeing this pattern getting created here, guys, the thing that I like about this pattern right now here is that we were forming a bullish divergence in this pattern. So we were forming a higher low here on the RSI, like you can see over here. We were forming a clear higher low here on the RSI, while we were still forming a lower low in the price action. And this, of course, a bullish divergence that we're seeing, and a bullish divergence in a falling wedge pattern is usually a very strong signal that you could be looking for long positions, even though I have been not trading this, because yes guys, for my long position I will be still be patient, because I'm going to accumulate a swing trade position, and I will be not trade right now the imminent of course short term for Bitcoin, because I do think it is right now pretty risky, especially right now because it's weekend. So yes, I'm going to take this trading challenge from this, of course, 1 Bitcoin to 2 Bitcoin. I'm going to do it with the least amount of risk, because yes, of course, I want to be, of course, make very significant gains here, but I want to be doing it with the least amount of risk here. And definitely, yes, guys, patience is key. And I will be already telling to you guys, there is going to be massive opportunities in the market as well. In the same time, guys, we want to be looking at Bitcoin right now, because we have been forming an upward sloping resistance line here on Bitcoin, and this is going to be as well an important level to see this 1 hourly candle close above to, because yes, if we're going to be able to right away break through this resistance as well here, it looks to be first of all that we're once again forming higher lows, like you can see over here, together with higher highs. So the imminent short term could be in a minor uptrend here, and this could be resulting in, of course, Bitcoin to start up to set, of course, higher lows, higher highs, and maybe continuing its way towards the price target of the falling wedge. And the price target of this falling wedge here is basically the 47.2k here. So you can see this green line here on the top side. This is the price target of the falling wedge, because a falling wedge always has the price target of the top of the wedge here. So yeah, you could be definitely look for a very strong target over here. And of course, from the point of the breakout, this is an approximately 3.8% move here. That's definitely, of course, going to be worthy to check out here. And guys, you're staying right now 88 to the moon. I will be have a look at 88 in a second here, but right now I want to be saying here, you want to be definitely be very careful right now here. I definitely will be saying I'm not trading the market right now on the imminent short term, because I'm waiting for swing trade accumulation, because I think swing trading has the least amount of risk right now here. And if you're going to, of course, trade these patterns over here, yes, you could be making a very significant gain for sure, but for me, the risk is too high to catch these moves right now here. So yeah, if you want to be joining me with this 122 Bitcoin trading challenge, make sure that you're going to keep your eyes out on the channel, because later today, I will be dropping out a video where I will be explaining exactly how I will be starting to accumulate this position. I will be only make a video purely dedicated about the swing trade position, and I will be explaining why I will be starting to accumulate on the 42.5k here. So yeah, algorithms as well, absolutely going insane right now, guys. As well, important chart to look at. You could be maybe even say on Bitcoin right now, this looks to be some kind of an inverse head and shoulders, even though I'm not a huge fan of it. You can see, yeah, you could be definitely approach it like an inverse head and shoulders, even though I'm of course not a huge fan of it right here, because first of all, I don't like head and shoulders. I mean inverse head and shoulders. I don't like to trade them. Second of all, yeah, you can see the left shoulder is not as significant as the right shoulder. But yeah, if you're going to approach it like this here, you could be look for a very significant price target around as well around the $47,000, and of course the price target of this the price target of this falling wedge is as well 47.2k. So yeah, these two price targets comes together, but because of this weekend, I will be not trading it because there's too many manipulation going around on the weekends here. So that's of course important to know. But it looks to be that of course the lower side once again supported us. We were forming higher lows here. Of course, support was getting found on the 45.1k here. And then this kickstart, of course, this huge pump towards the upside. And definitely, if this 1 hourly candle is going to be not able to close above this green line of the 45.7k, this is going to be providing us massive resistance. But if we're going to be able to close it above, I do expect, unless we were seeing over here, this level will be providing us very strong support. Because yeah, if you're basically going to quickly look back at the past, you can see over here previous very strong support, previous support, previous resistance, and this will be of course most likely provide support if we're going to be able to close above it, of course. So yeah, definitely very important what we're right now seeing here. And if we're once again going to see such a fake out, this is going to be of course resulting in once again lower price targets getting reached here. So yeah, main scenario will be the falling wedge. Main scenario as well here is that we want to be waiting for the 1 hourly candle close, because then we are going to see, of course, if we are getting a breakout or if we're going to get a fake out or whatsoever. So as well, you can set up a Fibonacci from the Bitcoin chart here. If you're going to take it from the swing low towards the swing high, basically, we are seeing some very important levels that we should be paying our attention towards right now here. And I will be discussing these levels right now because yes, these are levels that I will be starting to accumulate Bitcoins on. So yeah, you can first of all see the golden pocket entry, very strong level of support. I want to be seeing Bitcoin visiting this level once again here, the 43.8k. And since we only have been wicking towards this level, I still expect, and maybe it could be taking another few days here, but that we're going to see another leg down getting created here, because yes, I do still think descending pressure is going to be pretty high for Bitcoin. So with my challenge, with the training challenge that I want to be doing with you guys, with this Bitcoin, of course, this 1 to 2 Bitcoin training challenge, basically, yeah, we are going to, of course, absolutely crush the market, first of all, and second of all, I definitely can't wait to see how this is going to result, and third of all, we want to be patient, because for swing traders, it is important to, of course, open trades with low risk. And how can you be opening trades with low risk here is to purely be patient. Maybe I will be not getting filled with this entry, but I will be definitely be good with it, because the Bitcoin, of course, that I deposited in this account will be still increase in value, of course. So make sure that you're going to check it out here. And of course, if you're willing to join me with this challenge, because I'm going to be completely transparent on YouTube, on Twitter, or whatsoever with this trade that I'm going to take here. You could be ready to sign up here with the highest link in the description to join me with this trade, because this is going to be definitely an historical trade that we could be taking all together, because this is going to be, in my opinion, maybe you disagree with it, but my reason right now why I want to be accumulate the swing trade position over here is because this is the lowest point that we're going to get here before we're going to absolutely send Bitcoin towards the new all-time high, because that is my personal opinion. I have been doing my predictions in the coming 90 towards 120 days. We are going to see at least a new all-time high getting created here, and it's going to be most likely within 90 days here. It's going to most likely even be within 60 days from now on, because the next leg that we're going to create here for Bitcoin is going to be absolutely exponential towards the upside. So make sure that you're not going to miss out on it, and this is going to be a swing trade that I will be never forget. And of course, you guys should be definitely also not forget this opportunity that we will be taking all together. So yeah, looking forward towards it. And the reason why I am going to accumulate my first position here on the 42.6k basically is because daily support, guys. So You can see over here, Bitcoin swing high Fibonacci towards swing low. And on this Fibonacci, you can clearly see we've got a golden pocket entry that we have been not touching yet here. And what is likely to happen on Bitcoin, it is going to be a golden pocket entry touch here. And of course, a lot of buy orders will be waiting here as well, in my opinion. So yeah, the 0.382 here, aka the golden pocket, is going to be the level that I will be starting to accumulate my first accumulation zone for the swing trade position. Of course, if we're going to decrease even further, I have more levels set up here to, of course, accumulate a bigger position. So I will be, first of all, push down my average entry price. Second of all, I will be pushing down my liquidation price. So I will be for sure able to catch this move here. And maybe not all my quantity will be getting filled here, but either way, I will be easily make 1 or 2, yeah, let's say with 1 Bitcoin that I'm using for this trade, I could literally make 3 to 4 Bitcoins out of it. So definitely going to be very worth to check out here. Definitely hit the subscribe button right now on the channel as well if you don't want to be missing out on it, because yeah, we will be keeping you guys up to date about this major trade here. So another 20 minutes as well here before closing this 1 hourly candle on the chart. And as well, guys, on this trade, why I still have some lower levels set up here, because yeah, I do personally anticipate that we could be maybe see a flash crash on a day, that we're going to see, of course, a huge wick towards the downside getting created here. Because if we're going to dip below the 40k, a lot of people will be probably starting to panic, and as soon as these people are going to start panicking, I will be buying more and more, definitely in my swing trade position. So I'm looking forward towards it, and I definitely think that we need to touch the $42,000 before we can really start this rally towards the upside. So maybe we're going to see some sideways action, that I personally do anticipate this level will be getting touched before we're going to see more upwards momentum. And of course, if we're not going to see so, and if Bitcoin already going to form a new high over here, I will be still look for very strong long positions over there to still finish off this out on this move. And for all the people wondering right now here, if you're not going to take a trade right now here, please, I mean, if you're thinking right now, I want to be trading the market, I mean, please be patient. It's Bitcoin. There are so many opportunities, and Bitcoin especially is showing us sometimes these very low risk opportunities. So please wait for a low risk opportunity to trade it. Of course, you could definitely have been taking this long position here on Bitcoin because of a falling wedge, because of several bullish divergence. But for me, I always want to be having the least amount of risk, and that is the reason why I have not been, of course, announcing trades right now here. Because if I'm going to announce, okay, I will be opening a long position right now here, I'm purely looking at a low risk trade with high potential reward here. So yeah, in the meantime, Bitcoin even moving up further, and let's see how this 1 hourly candle will be closing. But first, let me as well talk a little bit about Ethereum, guys. So yeah, you guys really want me to talk about Ethereum, so let me have a quick chat about Ethereum. Because yes, if we're looking first of all to the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin pair, you can see it has been pumping very significantly. So we have been warning you guys about this level here on the daily target here. So you can see Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, previous level of very strong resistance over here. I was talking about this level, the 0.07086, and you can see on the 4 hourly candles, we clearly touched this level, and since then we started to, of course, gain already a 5.5% compared to Bitcoin. So Ethereum showing some very good strength right now in the market. I love it because I'm a huge holder of Ethereum. And Ethereum is the biggest asset of my portfolio right now here. So as well, we have been clearing some very important resistance, and we could be maybe look for some kind of a W recovery, guys. Even though I don't like W recoveries if you're setting a lower low and then of course go towards the neckline. So please, for everyone who's going to call for a W recovery right now on Ethereum, make sure that you're going to keep your eyes out on this, because W recovery is usually not going to be as strong if you're going to see W with a lower low. So yeah, definitely it could be playing out right now here. It is looking very strong. I don't want to be, of course, say this to you guys right now here, but please, be careful right now here, because a W recovery could be for sure be very strong. But if you're setting still lower lows in the market, it is still suggesting that you're on a downtrend, even though we are of course forming very strong divergence right now on the momentum. This was of course very likely to anticipate, of course, because yeah, we were clearly seeing a higher low on the RSI getting created, higher low here on the MACD. It was basically suggesting these momentum indicators. Okay, we are seeing the momentum running of the sellers running dry right now here, and it's going to be inevitable that we're going to see a push towards the upside. But I was not taking a long position over here, even though it was already an 8% long position that I could have been taking, because I'm still waiting for the swing trade position, and I will be not trading the market until it is going to settle down ever so slightly and the volatility is going to cool off. So I could be looking for a very strong position with low risk here. So Definitely very interesting what we're right now seeing here. Yeah, you can see as well, the 0.382 got exactly touched as well, guys. I have been talking about this level as well. So you can set up a Fibonacci from the swing low for Ethereum once again towards swing high. And you can see over here, if you're looking to that Fibonacci, the 0.382 here, aka the $3,139 exactly got touched here. So this level exactly got touched here on Ethereum. And since touching that level, Ethereum started to move up very quickly, like you can see with this 9.5% here. So definitely very lovely to see here as well. The orange box of support still providing major amounts of support on Ethereum right now here. So yeah, let's see how this is going to develop, of course, on the market. And you have to be keeping your eyes out as well on the next Fibonacci resistance level, and that is the 0.236 here, aka the $3,479. So we are right now approximately a few dollars away from it, and if you were opening a long position on Ethereum from the golden pocket entry, yeah, you could be looking for very strong amounts of resistance around the top side. So definitely this is at least a minor take profit or a full take profit target here. So yeah, guys, I will be going over Cardano in a second because you guys are absolutely crushing it right now about Cardano. You guys are asking me so many questions right now about Cardano, so give me a moment. I will be going over Cardano in a second. So let me quickly check this out here. I have to adjust something real quickly about so I will be going over Cardano in a second here. So let me go back to the charts here, guys. You guys can look into my face. That's of course not a thing what we are coming here for. So yeah, Ethereum looks to be, of course, as well trying to break through this highest 4-hourly candle close that we got here in the previous trend. So you can see this is a major level of resistance, as well provided support, provided resistance, and right now we're trying to go for a breakthrough. And I definitely think this 4-hourly candle could be closing above this level. So another 50 minutes away for the 1-hourly candle close. And Ethereum is looking quite strong here as well. If you're looking to this resistance line that we got over here, so if you're setting up a resistance line from this point over here, and you're looking at the clear touches that we were getting by this level, so you can see, first of all, previous support, and then over here, you're zooming in ever so slightly, you can see here, previous support, previous resistance, and right now we're breaking through this level once again here. So yeah, this is definitely a very good thing that we're seeing over here, and I can't wait to see how this is going to develop here. I hope truly that we could be seeing a breakthrough of this level. So if I'm going to analyze Ethereum real quickly on the 1-hourly candles, yeah, you can see very significant pump here, and this looks to be a very clear W structure. This is definitely a very clear W structure, and you could be trading or an ascending triangle, depends on how you are going to approach it, but this is a W that I do like here. So you can see over here, formed and high, formed a low, formed and higher low, then recovered, and then the neckline is getting broken. This is a clear W shape recovery, and this is a recovery that I do like to see. Of course, on the 4-hourly candles, I think it's a little bit more weak, but on the 1-hourly candles, it looks very strong. And if you're going to look at the price target of Cardano right now, of Ethereum right now, Cardano is the thing that I will be discussing in a second. You can see over here, we're still in approximately 2.7% away from our price target. So we could be definitely see another surge towards the upside. But in order to give you guys the best approach of this W structure, I should be suggesting, at least for trading opportunities, of course, to wait for a retest, and as soon as a retest comes in here, you could be looking for a long position and you could be taking it towards the price target. So yeah, make sure that you're going to keep your eyes out on it right now here. Make sure that you're going to be patient as well, because yeah, it's a very significant breakout target that we were getting over here, because yeah, the breakout target was on approximately 5.7% here, and it was looking quite low risk here. So yeah, pretty unfortunate I missed out on this this trade setup here, because otherwise I could have been maybe opening a trade out of this one, because yeah, Ethereum is looking like giving us a very strong opportunity. And if we're going to be seeing the next 1-hourly candle, guys, crash very quickly towards the downside, I will be looking for accumulation over there, man. I will be looking for sure for a very strong retest target, because this is going to be a very strong target that you could be longing the market at. So yeah, looking forward towards where we could be ending this. And it is all going to be down on Bitcoin, of course, so how Bitcoin is going to react towards this 1-hourly close. And of course, Bitcoin is as well going to be very strong if you want to be accumulating it on the previous level of resistance, what is right now going to flip into support, of course. So let me see what we are going to do here in the coming hours. But Ethereum is looking like it is going to be performing a little bit stronger right now here. So definitely very lovely for my portfolio. So guys, in the meantime, I want to be asking you guys quickly, can you smash up the likes right now? It will be truly amazing if you guys can do so. I see right now that you guys are really smashing up the likes right now here. We are currently having 163 likes here, guys. Could we go for the 200 likes right now here. And you guys know that smashing up the like button is only going to take a few seconds of your time, but it will be literally mean the world to me here. So if you could be taking those few seconds of your time to smash up the likes right now here, it will be truly help me out, first of all, and second of all, you will be supporting the channel and the cryptocurrency industry by far. So make sure that you're going to smash it up. And yeah, Bitcoin dominance down by 0.3%. I know it, I saw it, but let me right now discuss the Cardano price action, because yes, guys, I definitely want to be going over Cardano right now here, because Cardano was as well forming a very, very interesting things here. First of all, you can see your previous resistance line flipping into support. So downward slope resistance line that we were forming over here, previous resistance flips into support. Looks to be very strong, of course, and looks to be maybe bouncing off from it yeah, right now here. So Cardano looks to be showing us some strength here. Second of all, Cardano on the 1 hourly candles, higher low, higher low, higher low. So looks to be clearly in an uptrend as well. Cardano high, higher high, higher high. So together with the higher lows and the higher highs, you can see over here we are moving in an uptrend. So we are clearly in a 1 hour uptrend and 4 hourly uptrend currently on Cardano. So this first of all looks very strong here. As well, a resistance line that we should be keeping our eyes at on here is this level over here. We have been breaking through it, but this is going to be providing us some more resistance in the coming hours from here on. Maybe you could be approaching it a little bit differently from here on, and then you can see the top side is as well the level that we have to be breaking. So this could be maybe this line that we have to be breaking through right now on Cardano. So make sure that we are at least going to keep our eyes out on Cardano right now here, and this top side of resistance is going to be the resistance that is going to hold us back before once again going maybe for this final push up here. So yeah, I'm a huge holder of Cardano, and I definitely think today we could be still see some more exponential price targets getting reached here. But you want to be knowing here, guys, usually once the news is getting launched here, you're seeing pullback. So yes, I want to be extremely bullish on Cardano. Yes, I'm holding Cardano. Yes, I sold Cardano on $3, bought it back on $2.30, have been announcing it several times in my videos, in my streams, and you guys can definitely search it up if you don't know yet here. That literally, while we were, of course, crashing over here, I told everyone I will be buying back Cardano on $2.30. While we were trading on the all-time high, I was saying to everyone as well, I will be buying back Cardano at $2.30. Everyone called me crazy, but I was anticipating a huge correction on Cardano and the whole cryptocurrency market. So it was definitely a good thing that I was anticipating. But right now, what could we be seeing on the Cardano US dollar chart on the 4 hourly candles? So yeah, on the 4 hourly candles, guys, it looks to be that we're getting a very strong retest here of this W. So this is looking very strong in my opinion, and right now it's definitely yeah, looking to be a very strong long trade opportunity in my opinion, because what you can see over here is as well a very good W on the 4 hourly candles with a higher low. So you can see W getting created here, neckline getting retested right now. And this is a major opportunity. This is a major long trade opportunity in my opinion. Even though it's weekend, we could be still see Cardano pump very significantly towards the upside. Of course, today, the hard fork update will be getting launched here on Cardano in approximately, let's say, 4 or 5 hours from now on. So I definitely think we could be seeing another leg up getting created from here on. And I see Joseph as well saying in the chat, yo, Rover, yo, Joseph, welcome to the stream once again here. So yeah, if you're purely looking to this chart right now here, it looks to be, yeah, of course, W retest getting formed here. If you're looking to the price target of this W retest, you can see over here, it's going to be a very significant move towards the upside from here on with another 10% here. And this is going to be the $2.91 that we're most likely going to visit later today here. So yeah, it looks to be very strong right now here. Looks to be that Cardano could be absolutely go for a very strong bounce back towards the upside, in my opinion. So definitely think we could be seeing a very significant lag up here. So guys, I see 844 people watching and someone is staying in the chat and only 311 likes here, guys. We could be smashing it up. Make sure guys, are we still live? Are we still live? Are we still live, guys? Do you copy? Do you copy? Oh, that's not the right thing I want to be showing. Are we still live, guys? Let me know in the chat, because my computer just black screened. I don't know what the why this is why my computer is doing this, of course. Oh, my agenda is in front of the screen. Where's my agenda over here? Excuse me. Yes, we're back. Okay, excuse me so much. My computer literally just black screen. I don't know what happened. It crashed, and but we are back right now. We are back. So there was a pretty epic crash. We are still live. Okay, guys, excuse me. Excuse me so much. This is a crazy spike that I just got out of here. I was just talking about, make sure to smash up the likes. And I mean, it's nothing with the Wi-Fi whatsoever. The Wi-Fi is pretty good here at my hotel, but my computer just sometimes can't handle these streams or whatsoever. Well, I have the newest MacBook over here, literally the best version as well. So it should be working very well, but it doesn't. So I don't know how to fix this. Excuse me so much, but let me go back towards the analysis. So guys, in the meantime, make sure to get ready once again here, because yeah, we were talking about Cardano. We were talking about Cardano. Let me get back on track where I was talking, of course. So I think my drawings were not saved. My drawings are saved, so that's very nice here. So Cardano in the meantime is moving up, but we were basically talking about this this very strong W recovery that we were right now getting here on Cardano. And oh, this is an old chart. This is an old chart. So yeah, you can see right here we are recovering. We are back again once again, guys. Mac is the problem. I think that is a little bit true, because once I'm at home, because at my home setup, yeah, I don't use a MacBook or whatsoever, and that works always very fine. But it, of course, is also a very good computer. So yes, I will be getting an extra home as well in Spain anytime soon. So I will be building up a setup over there as well. So yeah. You guys just have to deal with me with this MacBook, of course, once I'm live here. So excuse me so much for that. Windows, bro. Windows. I know. That's a problem. So I like Apple too much. That's a small problem. And it's very convenient for me. So I'm just saying, go Bitcoin. I will be going over Bitcoin in a second once again, guys. Let me load up everything once again, because all the sites just have to reload real quickly. So yeah, Bitcoin, of course, still trading 46k. Guys, we're about to close this for this one hourly candle as well. So yeah, we are back again. Excuse me so much for this this spike out of here. Very unprofessional, of course. So yeah, we were talking about Cardano price action is looking very strong here. Do expect that we are going to see very significant pullbacks if we're going to see the Alonso hard fork update getting launched here, in my opinion, because as soon as the news drops here, usually we tend to see corrections rather than pumps, because all the people that are willing to make massive gains with Cardano already bought in towards it, most likely. So that's of course a thing that you want to be keeping your attention towards right now. Is someone is hacking you? No, I don't think so. I've got these issues several times here. It's very annoying, of course. Stop loss for Cardano. I mean, depending, man. I mean, if you want to be accumulating the best position here, I would definitely say it's in the orange box here. Right now, we're already a few dollars above the orange box. We're already, let me see, yeah, 3 cents. I say a few dollars, but 3 cents above this box here. So yeah, definitely for me, it's not the best accumulation zone right here. And if you're looking for a stop loss, yeah, you could be for sure see this big wick towards the downside. So it's definitely a trade that you should be taking with lower leverage, of course, for sure, because it's for sure going to be as well depending on Ethereum and Bitcoin, how they are going to react, and that will be of course resulting in how Cardano will be reacting. So personally, do expect Cardano is going to see a very significant bounce back towards the upside, but accumulating a position right now, I should be at least wait. Accumulation is the orange box, and if you fail to bolt in towards the orange box, you're definitely going to miss out on this position. And so yeah, please wait a little bit, ever so slightly here. If we're going to see a retracement, it will be definitely lovely, but if we're not going to see it, you will be probably missing out on the news. And guys, as well, a thing that you have to be knowing here, always, I mean, I will be definitely say to you guys out there, Cardano is most likely 80% chance right now here. I will be giving you an 80% chance that Cardano is going to see a decreasement as soon as the hard fork update comes out here. We're usually going to see a decreasement and more selling pressure getting added towards the market, because people see the market is not pumping. That's basically what's going to happen most likely. So make sure that you're going to pay your attention towards that scenario as well here, because I do think that is one of these more likelier scenarios. So Rover, are you from the Netherlands? Yes, I am. I probably already heard it from my accent or my voice, but yes, I am from the Netherlands. In the meantime, Bitcoin and Ethereum starting to move up even further. Definitely very exciting, guys. We will be monitoring the last last 1 minute in this 1 hourly close for Bitcoin. So in the meantime, Bitcoin 46.05k already. Maybe it could be moving up to the 46.1k. Let's monitor Bitcoin for a second here, because this is a very strong breakout. So if we're as well looking to lower time frames here, you're seeing right now 5-minute candle is forming a bearish divergence. I mean, just to give you guys a quick heads up here, I definitely think if you want to be accumulating a long position, you have to be waiting. Never accumulate a long position on such a significant pump here. Yes, for sure, we could be seeing another leg up getting trade here, but it's definitely FOMO trading if you're going to open a trade right now here. But yeah, you can see 46.1k right now. It's definitely looking very strong for this 1 hourly breakout. And yeah, you can clearly say, yeah, we broke out of this falling wedge, and the next price target is going to be the top side of the wedge. What is, of course, the 47.2k, and that is going to be from here on another $1,000 move here, aka a 2.4% move towards the upside. So I definitely love it, because my Bitcoin in my portfolio and my Bitcoin, of course, on BYBIT, etc., is going to once again increase here. My value of my portfolio is increasing, and that is, of course, absolutely lovely right now. Of course, 0.88 Bitcoin. I will be deposit another 0.12 Bitcoin on it, so I will be getting, of course, the 1 full Bitcoin. And guys, as soon as I have 1 full Bitcoin on this account, I will be as well make a special video, of course, that I'm going to do a 1 to 2 Bitcoin trading video, a trading challenge with you guys out there. So if you want to be joining me right now with this challenge, of course, make sure that you're going to sign up with the highest link in the description on BYBIT, because if we are going to do, if you want to be joining me with this challenge, yeah, you want to be, first of all, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell notification, so you're not going to miss out on any videos. Later today, I will be dropping out the video on exactly the levels that I will be starting to accumulate my swing trade position at. And on that video, I will be, of course, go over my strategy, the reason why I'm doing so, the reason why I think it is low risk. And yeah, you could be, yeah, join me right now with this trade. So it's going to be extremely, extremely exciting. I definitely can't wait to see how we are going to approach this, and how we are going to absolutely crush the market here. So it's going to be very exciting. And for the people wondering, yes, I'm saying it's a 1 to 2 Bitcoin trading challenge. If you don't have the capital, you could be definitely as well join me with, let's say, yeah, 0.01 Bitcoin or 0.1 Bitcoin, whatever, of course, because the nice part about this is that it doesn't matter on how much you're going to join me. If you're going to use the same strategy as me, of course, no financial advisor whatsoever. Personally, I will be just show my trading strategy, and I'm extremely profitable here on trading Bitcoin. So if you want to be joining me, yeah, I will be completely transparent with you guys, like, of course, not a lot of people are doing here on the internet. And I will be highly suggest to you guys out there to as well hit that follow button on my Twitter page right now here, because if we're seeing, of course, some emergency developments or whatsoever, it's easier for me to keep you guys up to date over here as well. So as well, link in the description, you could be finding it over there at RoverCRC. You could be definitely hit that follow button over there. So someone is saying no volume. Look at that. Indeed, guys, it is weekend. That's still a thing that you want to be knowing here. The volume is, of course, always lacking in the weekend, and especially for such a breakout, you want to be seeing volume coming in. And if I'm going to quickly look at the volume that we're currently getting trade here on Binance, of course. So let me remove this real quickly. You can see over here, it's definitely not a high volume breakout. It's definitely not a high volume breakout. And that is, of course, a thing that you at least want to be seeing on these breakouts. So yeah, very, very unfortunate that it is not such a high volume breakout. And yeah, you want to be, you keep your eyes out on it. It could be for sure be a fake out. So that is the reason why I've already said to everyone, I'm not going to trade it. I'm not going to trade it, because if I'm seeing such a breakout on a weekend, first of all, I will be not trading it. If I'm seeing a breakout towards the upside on such a significant downtrend, I will be not trading it right now here, because for me, it's too risky. And as well, let's see, we got a new member here on the channel. It is Getdagnis. That's pretty cool name here. Sorry if I pronounced your name correctly, but thank you so much for supporting the channel, and enjoy your green color in the chat here. So 4, 8, and 12 hours is bearish. Let me quickly check on the 4 and 8 hour. Let me just first check the 12-hour time frame on Bitcoin. Of course, on the higher time frames, I'm for sure bearish right now on Bitcoin, because we are clearly in a downtrend. And as long as we're in a downtrend, we are going. I will be remaining bearish on Bitcoin. So yeah, I'm not seeing any bearish divergence or whatsoever playing out right now. I am seeing some bearish divergence playing out. So what you can currently see on the 12-hour time frame is, of course, extremely bearish. But of course, we have to be right now wait for this 12-hourly candle to close here, because as soon as we're going to close it, I will be seeing some more confirmations in the market, first of all. And second of all, what you can see right here is, yeah, we are forming lower highs here on the 12-hour time frame, right? So you can see this, but the RSI is forming a higher high. So RSI is forming a higher high. Well, the price action forming a lower high here, like you can see. We are seeing and downtrend getting started, but the momentum is increasing, basically suggesting that we're seeing a hidden bearish divergence. For you guys that don't know how these divergence, how you can be recognizing these divergence, just search up Google trading divergence. I think you can just search stuff like this, trading divergences. As well, I see Sander Papem as well becoming a member here of the channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel as well here, and enjoy your color on the chat here. So you can see right now on the right side of the screen, you can see hidden bullish, hidden bearish divergence. Oh, you can't see it. Excuse me. Let me see if I load it up here real quickly. Yeah, you can see it right now here. So you can see right here. So let me see. You can see the hidden bearish divergence basically, right? That's this one. I don't know if you see my crosshair. No, you don't see my crosshair. So basically, this one right now, this one over here is a hidden bearish divergence. Hidden bearish divergence is the price is still setting a lower high. Well, the RSI is increasing in its value, so the RSI is of course still increasing, so it's telling us the buying strength is increasing, but in the meantime we don't see it playing out on the chart, basically indicating bearish momentum. So that is exactly what we're right now seeing on the 12-hour time frame. Of course, we have to be waiting for confirmation on the 12-hourly candle close, and this candle close will be playing out in another 3 hours from now on. So yeah, indeed, this is still looking quite bearish, and we have to be flipping this bullish if we're going to be able, we could be flipping this bullish if we're going to be able to push up another, let's say, $600 from now on before this close. But that is a thing that we should be waiting for still. So as well, if you're going to look at the 8-hour time frame, guys, you can still see over here Bitcoin forming a higher high here on the RSI, but still it is forming a clear lower high here on the price chart. So as well, a hidden bearish divergence on the 8-hour time frame, and so I can go on. As well, if I look to the 4-hourly candles, even a more significant one, and you know, the 4-hour candles is a very, very strong time frame to trade on, and the 4-hourly candles right now is as well forming a huge hidden bearish divergence. So a lot of people are calling, no, Rover, this is a bullish divergence. No, please look at how these divergences are getting created here. I know what I'm saying. A lot of people tend to say, of course, once I'm doing these tweets about we are seeing a hidden bullish divergence getting created here, people react, because I usually read the reactions of the Twitter posts here, and people are saying to me, Rover, you're absolutely blind. This is a bullish divergence. No. Excuse me, I was gone for a second. So, no, this is, of course, a hidden bearish divergence. So, hidden bearish divergences are very strong to trade because a lot of people are not paying attention towards this right now. And as well, Trabipti is saying, give us 40K. I would love to see that, because then we could accumulate our strong position. So, yeah, 4-hourly candles. Guys, I am still very bearish on the 4-hourly candles right now here. It is not looking strong. You want to be paying attention. We are still losing strength on the uptrend right now. We are losing strength on the bias right now, while the prices is still going down. So we're basically still seeing more bearish momentum in the market. So make sure that you're going to keep your attention towards it. And that is as well one of these reasons, guys, why I was, first of all, not trading this bullish divergence over here. And second of all, guys, I have been straight with you guys the whole time with this swing trade position that I will be accumulating. I will be only start to accumulate on the $42,000. And if I will be missing out on this opportunity, I'm good with it, because for me right now, it's too high of a risk to go long with a swing trade position on the $46,000. I do personally expect a major pullback before we're really going to kickstart this rally. So you want to keep your mind straight here right now. You definitely don't want to be losing your attention on the market right now here. This is the time that you could be making massive gains here. But you want to be, of course, look at every single time frame. You want to be looking at every single things what we're right now developing in the market, and don't get sucked up in the emotions, because a lot of people are maybe once again getting pretty excited about this green pump over here. But I will be telling you already, yes, I'm excited if I'm going to think about the coming 60 days, because yes, I personally do anticipate a new all-time high will be getting created here. But don't get too excited right now in the imminent short term. It's weekend, and this price target could be for sure not getting reached here. So that's the reason why will be trading it. And some people right now talking about, Rover, why do you expect the 42,000 getting reached here? I've been already going over it several times here, and that is purely because of this Fibonacci. Not purely, but yeah, mainly because of this Fibonacci here, because I choose the wrong chart the whole time. So yeah, this is the right chart. So if you're looking to the Fibonacci swing high to swing low, you can see the golden pocket entry is the 42.4K. So please don't lose your attention. Don't get sucked up in your emotions right now here. It is weekend. It's a low volume breakout. I don't like this setup. I don't like it at all. And I have a feeling in my stomach right now that we could be seeing, of course, a very severe correction still in the coming days here. because the 4-hour candles are not looking good, 8-hour candles are not looking good, 12-hour candles are not looking good, daily candles are not looking good. I mean, if I go to the 3-hour candles, it is not looking good. 2-hour candles looking even bearish, guys. I mean, every single time frame right now, I'm going lower. It's even going to be more bearish. So we are basically bearish on every single time frame while we are pumping right now as well. The 1-hourly candles, of course, if we approach it from this high over here, still, we are bearish over here as well. We are forming hidden bearish divergences as well over here. So we are forming several bearish divergences right now here. And you should be paying your attention towards it. Because if you're not paying your attention right now towards it, and if you're getting sucked up in emotions, yeah, you will be. I mean, I will be definitely say, buying Bitcoin for spot right now is definitely not bad. But for traders, for the people that are going to trade it just like me, and for the people that are absolutely going to crush the market just like we are going to do, and that we already did, we will be waiting. We will be waiting. Some people may be calling me great. Of course, for my spot position, I've been buying up already because I want to be having the least amount of risk for a spot position, because I know if I'm going to buy Bitcoin right now for spot, I'm going to be profitable in 3 months from now on, for sure. I know it already. But for my leverage trade I'm taking, I will be not accumulate a long position right now here. And I will be saying it once again, guys. You still have the opportunity to join me on this trade, and a lot of people are going to most likely say, Rover, how could I join you with this trade as soon as I am in a big profit? Because yes, guys, we will be rolling out this trading challenge, what is going to be, of course, giving us massive gains. So yeah, you could be signed up with BYBIT right now in the description. You could be setting up your account, and the important part is it that you should already set up an account. Of course, make sure that you're making a deposit, set up the limit orders that you will be starting to accumulate at, and then you're just going to wait. You're just going to literally, you're going to, just like me, you're going to be, I mean, I'm right in Dubai. I can literally go to the pool the whole day and I can wait. But that's not, of course, what I'm doing here, because I will be giving you guys updates on the market the whole day here. But it's basically to tell you guys here, you could be literally accumulate, set these levels up already. You just could go to sleep. There's no reason to stress or whatsoever. And it's definitely a very strong opportunity that you're having here. So yeah, make sure to check out the link in the description right now. It's going to be definitely very valuable. It's going to be, of course, still, we have another week time before we're going to reach it. Maybe it's going to be another even longer time that we're going to reach it. But the fact is here, we are going to get filled, in my opinion. There's an 80% chance that we're going to get filled here. And as soon as I will be getting filled here and the market starts to move up again, I know a lot of people will be asking me, a lot of people on Twitter, a lot of people on YouTube, and you guys who are right now watching, you are going to witness this all together. Because I have as well predicted that a lot of people are going to call this a bear market. Well, we are extremely bullish. I mean, you want to be bullish once the market is going down. You want to be bearish if the market is going up too long. So yeah, this is definitely the time to be bullish. Of course, I'm bullish on the let's say on the daily time frame. So I will be expecting a minor pullback, then a move up again. Make sure that you're going to accumulate right now. It's definitely the time to do so. So buy a gaming laptop. I'm not really into gaming, man. So yeah, for streaming, it's probably a pretty good thing here, indeed. So yeah, maybe I have to do so. I will be buying the new MacBook that's coming out anytime soon here, and I will be getting right now a little bit of a bigger screen. So if it is bigger as well, the cooling is better, etc. So I don't know exactly. I have to do some more research on it. I'm loving these live streams, as someone is saying. That's absolutely amazing, guys. And if you want to be supporting the channel right now, make sure that you're going to smash the likes here. But guys, we are right now only 13 likes away before smashing it up to 500 likes on this video, on this stream, I mean. So make sure that you're going to smash it up right now here. It's going to be truly amazing if you could be doing so, and you will be helping me out by far here. And as well, to quickly talk about the subscriber count, guys, and let me quickly go to the channel. We have been absolutely crushing it here on this channel. We are close, very close right now towards 60,000 subscribers, and we're even only 20 subscribers away right now before reaching the 59.3k here. So it will be truly amazing if you could be smash it up right now here. And Wise Ape is as well saying, stop buying Max. I mean, yeah, I will be as well buy the new iPhone in a second, so excuse me so much. I'm a huge Apple fan, but maybe someone has to convince me. Can we short Bitcoin? I will definitely be careful with shorting the market. Just wait for the long opportunity, because that is the least amount of risk here. Yes, market is looking bearish, but we could be for sure seeing move up and then move down. Or we could be for sure seeing move up to 48k, then move down. I mean, it's too risky to short it right now. On this exact time of recording, it is too risky to short it. So what are you going to do if you want to be taking the least amount of risk here? Wait till the market is going to come down and start accumulating long positions. I know a lot of people always want to be in trades. People want to be always in trades. And of course, I do get it. I mean, I do get it from the past, because I know I wasn't your situation as well here. I was always willing to make gains here, and if you always want to be trading, there will become a day that you're going to make some huge mistakes. And you maybe disagree or agree with me, but it's going to happen. Maybe you haven't found out yet. Maybe you have only been profitable, but there will become a turning point if you always just want to be trading. Wait for the opportunity, and the market will be coming towards you. The trading will become towards you. And especially, you will be maybe not make these exponential gains every single day, but also you won't make these losses every single week. So that is, of course, the important part about trading. It's all down to risk management, and show us your entries. Of course, I mean, man, you can see right now I still have some to fill in some more limit orders, because I just deposited some extra Bitcoin. So I have to, of course, still deposit even more Bitcoin, of course, on this account here. But yeah, I will be, of course, completely transparent here. I still right now have 0.88 Bitcoin, and I have to deposit another 0.11.6 here. So till I have, of course, exactly 1 Bitcoin. But basically, I will be starting to accumulate more and more if the market is going to keep coming down here. So as well, if we're going to, let's say, decrease back to 39k, I will be adding even more quantity. And of course, the lower we're going to go, basically the more quantity I will be adding. And yeah, that's basically my strategy here. And that's definitely a very profitable strategy. And it's going to be a very major trade that we are going to take, and I definitely can't wait to see how this is going to be reacting towards the market. Of course, I'm only using, for the clarity, only a 6.5x leverage. It's a low leverage, a low liquidation price, and of course, if the market comes down here, I will be adding more to my position. And because I'm doing so, my entry price will be pushed down, and my liquidation price as well. So I will be having, of course, multiple levels set up here. So I will be never, first of all, get liquidated or whatsoever, and I will be catching this big swing in the market. And that is, of course, why it's called swing trading. You're catching the big moves in the market, and that is, of course, exactly what we want here, because I personally expect that this is the last correction before we're seeing a new all-time high. And imagine the next all-time high is already 50% pump here from our first accumulation zone, and of course with a 6.5x leverage, that is already a 330% gain here. So I already made from that point approximately 3.4 Bitcoin, and I personally think that we are going to absolutely smash through the all-time high, and I've been already making this prediction while we were sitting on 30k. We will be creating a rally, a pullback, where everyone will think this is the end of the bull market, because we're forming a lower high here, but this is not the end. This is going to be a major opportunity that we want to be taking right now here. You could be joining us, and if you think this is the bear market, just think twice here, because look at the money that is getting printed. Look at the dollars that are getting printed here. No one wants to be holding their freaking dollars. No one wants to be holding their euros. The inflation is almost 6%, right? 6% this year. Just think big, and this is an opportunity that that you definitely don't want to be missing out on. So Moon Rover, I mean, this is pretty funny. I've been going over it several times here. Everyone called me a stupid bear once I was bearish over here, because yes, if you don't know it, my channel, I was completely bearish on the market over here. Now everyone is calling me a moon boy, but this is, of course, exactly what I like here, because once everyone starts to call me a moon boy, I'm even getting more confident about my trade that I'm going to make here. But yeah, I'm always bullish once the market is down. I'm bearish usually once the market is too overextended. So if you don't agree with me, make sure to not subscribe to this channel, because then you're definitely going to maybe get very frustrated of me. But this is going to be my strategy. This is going to be my strategy. And like I have been already mentioning, this is going to be a recovery that's going to take an approximately 30 days. And yeah, this is going to be, let's say, beginning of October. I do expect a new high going to create here. So yeah, it's going to be another very boring, probably coming, let's say, 20 days for Bitcoin. But while the market is boring, you want to be paying attention. And that is, of course, where a lot of people are making mistakes here. Because as well, what I see on YouTube, I get way more views if the market says new all-time highs, of course, because people are getting interested by it by then. But everyone, the 800 people that are right now watching here, you are going to crush the market because you are paying attention right now here. That's, of course, the most important part about crypto right now here. So yeah, guys, pretty interesting. So let me see what you guys have for me here. Do you have some questions for me that I have to be looking in towards? Someone is saying Solana. Sorry, Wise Ape is saying Solana. We'll be still saying it. Don't trade Solana, but especially I'm a huge fan of holding it right now. Now look at the RSI, look at the momentum loss that we're generating. We're forming clearly a momentum loss right now here, while the price action is still increasing. If I take every single momentum indicator And if it loads up real quickly, if I take every single momentum indicator, you can clearly see we are losing huge amounts of momentum, and this will be resulting, and I can tell to you guys already, in huge bumps here. But as well, I do think the price of Solana will remain still pretty high if we're going to drop off here, because guys, there are so many short liquidations that has been going on Solana. It's just like Tesla. So many shorts got out of the market. So there's so much capital locked in Solana that I definitely don't think that we're going to see, way low prices getting generate. I think, pullback back towards 120 US dollars. Let's say around this range is good for consolidation. The market is overextended right now if you're going to look at the momentum indicators. For me, if you want to be buying it right now, be my guest. But I'm not owning any Solana right now here. It's absolutely not responsible. It's not responsible to buy it right now, to hold it, in my opinion, from a trader's perspective and from someone that wants to be making good gains in the market. I don't think this is the best coin to hold right now here. So guys, as well, make sure to go in the link in the description. And follow me on Twitter here. Hit that follow button on Twitter. As well, you can see over here my Instagram. You can follow me as well on Instagram. Still, I will be announcing the winners later, this day at least. Sorry, I promised you guys yesterday already, but I will be announcing the winners today about the crypto trading book that I gave to you guys, because yes, I promised you guys to give away some crypto trading books. If you want to be winning it, you could still win it if you're going to at least react to my latest post here on Instagram. And I will be announcing the winner later today here. So make sure to post something funny here, and you will be available to win it. So Cardano as well. We'll be keeping my eyes out on it. We'll be giving you guys some updates if we're seeing some very interesting things playing out over here. But make sure to follow me here on Instagram. It will be truly amazing as well. Hit the follow button on Twitter so you're not going to miss out on these updates that we're basically bringing out to you guys. So we'll be truly amazing. We'll be truly amazing, and you will be as well not miss out on these streams here. So pretty exciting. I bought Cardano around $1.16 here. Should I sell the right $2.90 and rebuy after this selling? I mean, depends what your strategy is. Are you a long-term holder? I mean, definitely. If you're just have a long-term vision, you could be just holding and it's going to be all right. But for me, I thought, the $3 range was for me a very good selling zone over here. I did sold, of course, all my Cardano over there. Bought back on the $2.30. A very good average entry price once again. And right now, I will be, I guess I will be just wait at least for the end of the day, but I will be selling my portfolio, a large amount of my portfolio in Cardano later today, because I do expect maybe another pullback, and especially because I personally am anticipating that Bitcoin is still looking quite bearish, that the whole market is going to follow here. So yes, I will be taking some profits on Cardano, and I will be starting to buy back once again then around the $2.30 once again, because I do think that's going to be a strong level of support that we're going to hold on towards. So everyone has their own strategy, probably because I'm right now saying that I will be taking profits later today on Cardano. A lot of people will be, not liking my opinion, but that is, of course, how you are going to crush the market, in my opinion. Sell the news, buy the rumor, and that is basically how you're going to be profitable. So, definitely very exciting. That is my strategy, at least here. So, Solana will be probably 6x if Bitcoin 2x. I totally disagree with that from now on, personally. Of course, everyone has their own opinion on the market, but I mean, also a thing that I don't like, guys, and I will be right now go over it right away here. So many people say Solana is going to be the Ethereum overtaker, and I can tell you already, there is no coin that is going to overtake Ethereum in the coming 2 years, in the coming at least 3 to 4 years from now on. There's going to be no coin. I mean, look at the ecosystem that Ethereum has. There is no coin, and not even near a coin, that has such a huge ecosystem like Ethereum. There is going to be no coin that's going to overtake Ethereum. In the end of the day, the profits from the people of Solana are probably going to flow back into Ethereum and Bitcoin. So make sure that you're going to be careful. Definitely, of course, I do think there are good competitors. For sure, they could be doing a very strong job here, but it is not going to be likely they're going to overtake Ethereum in the coming 3 years. So make sure that you're going to keep your eyes out on it. And personally, I do believe that Ethereum is the first one to maybe potentially overtake Bitcoin, but then I'm talking about maybe a range of 6 to 8 years from now on. I definitely don't see this happening in the coming 4 years. But right now, my biggest amount, my percentages amount in my biggest position is Ethereum. Ethereum is approximately 40% of my portfolio, while Bitcoin is only at 33% of my portfolio. I'm personally anticipating that Ethereum is absolutely going to crush the opposition of Bitcoin. I think we are going to be absolutely, crush the market with this one. So keep your eyes out on it. And as well, for all the people wondering right now, about trading, because I see some questions coming in right now here. Always with trading, don't trade with more than 10% of your capital. First of all, I definitely think it's irresponsible. So always take only with a small amount of your portfolio. But personally, even though it's a low risk trade here, always know that you, taking a risk while trading. And yeah, you definitely make your risk yourself. If you're using high leverage, you're going to definitely get high amounts of risk. And with the swing trade position, it's going to be low risk, but still there's always risk attached to it. So make sure that you're never trading with more than 10% of your portfolio. And I'm not even doing 10%, very minor position of it. So make sure that you're going to keep your eyes out on it, and it's definitely going to be very, very exciting over here. So yeah, let me see what we can be discussing over here. We will be dying. We will be no, that's not true. It wasn't legit gains on Dogecoin. I mean, guys, the fact that Dogecoin is right now still trading below the 30 cents just shows us right now something very interesting. The fact that Dogecoin is trading on 25 cents right now here is showing us some very interesting things in the market right now, right? Don't you agree? Bro, do you share your trades live? Yes, if I will be opening my trade, I will be showing it on YouTube and most real time on Twitter, because I will be probably right away notify everyone, because I will be getting a notification on my telephone, and I will be notifying everyone on that moment once I get filled on Twitter. So yeah, I should definitely hit that notification button, follow button on Twitter as well, because then you will be not missing out on that significant one. So in the meantime, I was talking about Dogecoin. Guys, don't you agree with me? Dogecoin is right now still, let me see, an approximately 67% from its all-time high. And this shows me right now that the dumb money is out of the market. And that is the reason why this massive shakeout on Bitcoin, this was necessary. This over here was necessary because too many people became a millionaire of these stupid meme coins. And that is why these shakeouts are necessary. And it shows us right now, Dogecoin almost 70% away from its all-time high, while Bitcoin is only an approximately 25% away from its all-time high. Guys, this is showing us that the market is developing. There's no money, no stupid money going to these stupid meme coins. No, the money is going into smart coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum. And it shows you the market is developing. The market is developing, and for some people are asking me right now, what's your price target for Ethereum? My price target, if I'm talking about the end of the year, beginning of next year, January 2022, when some as well, what is as well my birthday month, I'm definitely going to celebrate it, because 4 years ago, I know I was celebrating because I was making huge gains in my portfolio. And if you go to the my internet connection is not doing so strong right now. Let me see. My internet connection is still doing good. Okay, that's good. Excuse me. But yeah, you can see over here, guys, the reason why I'm going to be bullish, and my price target basically to go back to it right now, Ethereum. I'm going to expect a 6 to 8k Ethereum basically to be very realistic near the end of this year. But if we're going to talk about the data, and if we're going to look at the Bitcoin returns here, guys, I'm always addressing this every single stream, but I want to be raising the awareness, guys. This is the time to accumulate, and this is the time to accumulate this massive long trade swing position. I'm going to enjoy it, because I'm going to definitely enjoy this position, guys. I'm going to make huge gains with it, and we could be doing it all together. So September, you can see over here, -2%. October, last year, 27% here. November, 42%. December, 46%. And if we're then looking back to exactly 4 years ago in the cycle, because look at this, I definitely think that we should be right now compare this time, right now, the monthly returns not to last year, but to 4 years ago, because 2017 was, of course, the bull run where we're basically talking about. So what I anticipate for Bitcoin is that October is going to be an exponential move here. You can see over here, October was last time around a 47% increasement. And that is going to be matching as well. 47% increasement. Look at this. Bitcoin going to increase 47%. That is, okay, 49% is the all-time high. So definitely think October could be the month that we're going to see a new all-time high, or at least a touch of the all-time high. It's going to be extremely likely to of course, expect that and see that. And of course, after that, November is going to be bullish. December is going to be bullish. Always near the end of the year, Bitcoin is performing very well. Just look. Oh, sorry, you guys can't even fully see it. Excuse me so much. But yeah, I can fix the screen over here. So yeah, you can see over here. Bitcoin always near the end of the year, guys. We are making huge gains over there. We are making huge gains once Bitcoin is near the end of the year. You can just see it almost every single time. Of course, this only have been 1 year that we have been bearish on the last time of near the end of the year. But I should be already prepare you guys. You have to be bullish near the end of the year. You want to be accumulating these swing trade positions near the end of the year. It are one of these most guarantees trades. A rover come to Bahrain. I mean, I will be there. I will be going there if the Grand Prix, because they're probably going to hold another Grand Prix over there for Formula One. If they're going to hold it once again in Bahrain, I will be there, man. I will be there for sure. I love it, man. I definitely want to be visiting. I definitely want to be visiting it. So let me see if my screen is good once again. Yes, the screen is good. So guys, make sure that you're going to pay your attention towards it. Where's the moderator here? Just blocked him. Drew, absolute legend, Drew. Thank you for tuning in once again. But yeah, guys, I will be wrapping up the stream right now here. So to give you guys some of my opinions, of course, on the market, be bearish on Bitcoin on the time frames right now here. Bitcoin is not looking necessarily so strong right now. If we're talking about the current ongoing momentum of it, we are still seeing huge momentum losses getting created on almost every single time frame. So make sure that you're going to keep your attention towards Bitcoin right here. I will be wrapping up the stream right now here. I will be working on another video, guys. So make sure to hit that subscribe button right now here, smash up the bell notification, because if you're going to do so right now here, you will be finding out about my trade that I'm going to accumulate. I'm going to accumulate this massive long position on Bitcoin. I will be talking about why I will be doing it around these levels, of course. I will be, of course, in advance explain everything for everyone who as well don't really know how BYBIT works or whatsoever. Make sure to check it out. Guys, Bitcoin is still bearish on the 4 hour, the 8 hour, the 12 hour, the 2 hour, the 1 hour. Almost every single indicator is right now flashing, of course, a Bitcoin correction further towards the downside. So make sure that you're going to keep your eyes set on this. And yeah, guys, I will see you guys later today in another update video here on the channel. And peace out. Goodbye.